Welcome back to Boother Tools. Today we're going to talk about the flash. This thing right here, LED flashlight kits from One in Drugs, $150 Canadian. We've got a little flash mount there that goes on top. You just click that on top. Open the flash up here, and then you can just screw it on right there. Okay, so next step, just take out your umbrella and put it through the little hole right here. This is the adapter cord for the power. So we're just gonna plug in the power cord. As you can see, that's the PC sync cord, where the DSLR camera will tell it where to flash. And then plug in the sync cord. Flip it around front ways, and then it's gonna give the right amount of light that you need when you're using a front-facing camera. There's two modes here. There's an LED that has a constant light. We don't want constant light, we just want the flashlight. Let's give it a test. Let's press the screen and take our 4 photos. Okay, so whip it around, we're at the event, and all we have to do is press the screen and it's gonna take 4 photos. So let's press the screen and take our 4 photos. Dude, looking good. And 4. So all we have to do now is just text the photos to ourselves. Okay, so now it'll be this screen, so we just text the photos to ourselves. Put in our phone number and it'll send them right to our phones. And then you can also hook a portable battery up to it if you don't want to have the AC adapter going. So this thing could essentially run all on its own through the batteries with this, and all of a sudden you have a wireless unit. So definitely recommend going and picking up one of these Godox LF308 LED flashlight kits from One in Drugs, $150 Canadian. And yeah, plus they pack away pretty easily. So, I mean, this guy comes off here and packs away. Super small.